dog, them with me, my family. Victory from poverty. I test and press the shoes back, scamming on my damn backyard. Now the morning non-stop till she dead the night.
You call me when you're on it. No fear for you. That a man fi provide, so I when the money come.
Oh, the hills of Sentan. Strong, I lift my hands to Gyal.
Champion pop, Gyal foot pan dash. That pussy on a top room. Chakamil.
You make calm and a crash rider chip up. Every paper and all of the kind.
But you know I scream while I'm on the flip. Yeah, yeah. Wish me coulda said a word.
One no wicked rider. Money nothing on me, girl, me a provider. Buy your murder and let me deal with your body like a sir.
Don't be like we own the place. Trust me, I'm not just. We gon' get this party started. No.
Kingston has held the crown for decades, but there is a new capital of dancehall taking over your FYP. While the legacy studios of the city struggle to adapt, Montego Bay's gritty trap fusion is dominating the global charts. Is the traditional sound of Jamaica officially being left behind in the digital age? Forget everything you knew about how a dancehall hit is made. The second city has cracked the code to TikTok virality by trading live instruments for aggressive, digital-first sonics that thrive on social media. We are breaking down how Mobay's underground scene bypassed the gatekeepers to become the new sound of the streets. Why is every viral dancehall anthem suddenly coming from Montego Bay instead of the capital? The shift isn't an accident. It is a calculated takeover driven by a faster, harder, and more addictive production style. Discover how Mobay's trap-influenced evolution is outperforming Kingston's infrastructure and redefining what it means to be a mainstream hit in 2026.